boy. Auto start the whip, let's get the day started. I might step back on the bitch, I'm like James Harden. Niggas can't check me, I'm like Curry playing at the Garden. Bro in the paint throwing niggas balls, he like Ben Wilder. We left a hole inside the street, live in the club. Had to stab off from that bitch, you know we fucked that bitch up. Nigga, I'm tripping, she ain't tryna fuck with me, these hoes dumb. I know she gon' suck my dick, she see me post this 100 plus. Neck bustin', she like, can I wear the chain? I'm like, her neck bustin', I'm like, can I get some brain?
YouTube, what's good? We just put up the legal pit, man. We put a little early so we can get a little spot. I got Queen with me right here. Let's pull up on that side, bro. Let's pull up on that side. Yeah, that's the best. Bet. I might do a little warm up.
Was he in the car?
If you want, it's up to you. I'll just park up right quick, set up the tent right quick. YouTube, we outside, man. I'm finna swing. Out this fuck. And me and Quinn outside, bro. We finna swing. We set up the tent. Watch the tires. Feel me? I'll move on things. You said what?
I'm here too. You said just you and me.
Got my best friend here. Woo, hop out.
Guys, we're setting up the tent because it's hot out here. It's like 100 degrees. He keeps calling me his female best friend. But I think everyone knows it's a lie. It's hot out here. Look at them being men and shit.
Damn.
Guys, wish him luck. He's gonna go. Sky, what do you have to tell the people before you go?
I'm nervous. But
He's nervous.
I gotta get it out, so.
You ready?
Yeah. Y'all boys, I gotta warm up, man. Let's do it. That's a little warm up right there, you feel me? I don't wanna kill my shit. We just warming up right now, you feel me? Now boys, I'm going again, I ain't gonna count.
That's what I got one up for. Where you never know, might see me in your town. Get out of line, ain't got no problem taking a nigga for a ride. Shoot it to the left, shoot it to the right, slime mine. Smoking shit, where you go?
fast on that shit, boy. Hey, make sure y'all boys like this video, man. I kind of started the camera late too. YouTube, we're in line right now, man. We just waiting, you feel me? I'm about to go again. It's lit, bro. I ain't gonna count. It's lit, man. You feel me? Waiting and shit. You know what I'm saying? Waiting right now. Hot as hell, I ain't gonna lie. I'm low-key missing out on content for y'all boys because I'm waiting in the line, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully I can hurry up and go and get back to the recording and shit like that. Hopefully I ain't miss too much. You feel me? But we outside, man. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed the video already, you know what I'm saying? Now his shit fucked up. Alright, it's about to damn, man, he fucked up the motion. Nope.
Every dollar, bitch, I'm tripping by every cent. SD on Savage, so you know gelato for my
That shit dead. My shit was upshifting, all types of shit, bro.
You sniped that. You sniped. At least from this angle. Jesus Christ.
I ain't gonna lie, I fucked up a little piece. I ain't gonna lie.